Welcome back to the Land of House vlog. I'm outside here with Emma. We just got back from the hardware store. I bought some 2x4s, a sheet of plywood, and some treated 2x4s. Ashley has a project coming up that she wants me to build. It's a changing table slash dresser. So that's a project you can look forward to here on the channel. This is the very first vlog that I'm filming in 60 frames a second. I just found out my editing program can handle this frame rate. Let me know what you think. It's gonna be different. Basically, everything is quicker whenever you watch it. And you may have to go into YouTube settings on the quality and change it to the 60 frames. I'm not exactly sure how that works, but anyway, so today I'm gonna unload this lumber and plywood, and then we're gonna take the 2x4s to my parents' house and work on a project over there. This is my dad's shop here, and we're having water issues. I think what's happening is rain will hit the threshold down here and then either blow or run into the corners, and it was causing some rot. So what we did was cut out this piece and then just put some more boards in there to hopefully get that fixed. So now what I want to do is put an awning up here. Kind of like what I've got on mine, except it's just going to be straight out instead of angled. So hopefully we can go ahead and get at least the sides put on today. I'm thinking if I put them here, and luckily there are nails where the studs are, so it'll be easy to find. But anyway, so let's go ahead and begin this build. I've got these big lag bolts, or lag screws, but I was just looking outside. I think these are going to be too heavy for me to hang by myself, or at least I'm just not feeling that ambitious. So what I might do is just get this much built today, and then when my dad's back next Saturday, he and I will get this put up, and I'll show you the end result then. Okay, I just wrapped the triangle build up here and got those lag screws in there. I tried to pick it up and get it installed, and it's too heavy. My dad's gonna be here on Saturday, so, ooh, that's bright. Focus, okay. So anyway, we're gonna move it up pretty high, and I think we're gonna do 3 feet of tin coming off of each piece there. But for now, I'm gonna leave this here and go inside where it's warm. My mom is a bit of a musician. I'm down here in her music room where she's got monitors and computer stuff, and anyway, all of her typical music things. Suddenly, her computer started bogging down the internet a couple weeks ago. So whenever I would unplug the Ethernet cable, internet was strong and fast, but when you plug it back up, there's issues. We've run virus scans and all that and don't find anything wrong. So what I'm going to do today is turn off the adapter that's in the computer, or just unplug it, and then I'm going to try the wireless USB adapter that I got from a company recently, and see if that fixes the problem. Not sure why the lighting changed so drastically. While this is installing, I wanted to say that this morning I called my internet service provider and asked a question. I went on their website and saw this little picture up in the middle of nowhere saying equal upload and download speeds. So I was like, huh, I'm paying for 100 down and 5 up. I think I paid $95. It's a lot, but that's the best of the best service, I thought, in our area. So I call them and I said, hey, I saw this on the website. And they said, oh yeah, for $300 you can have 100 up and 100 down. I was like, I'm not there yet. Watch more of my videos, and I'll be able to do some live streaming whenever I can afford that better service. Almost done here. We are in Asheville today for another baby appointment. Ashley just had to drink her sugar drink, and she got it down in what, 6 minutes or so?
It wasn't 5 minutes like you're supposed to.
Fun stuff. I hear that's quite nasty.
For all the people who say it's not, I never drink soft drinks, so that was like a lot of sugar. I don't like fruity stuff unless there's alcohol in it, and there was no alcohol.
It's probably a good thing because you're pregnant.
See, like the name is like really, it's really big.
We just got back home, picked up Emma from my mom's house, and she's a bit tired right now. I have some bad news. If you watched last week's vlog, I mentioned that I was gonna hide Ashley's Christmas present over here, a place where she never goes. Well, she found it. She was putting her clothes up and saw it, and she thought it was Emma's Christmas present, which is right here. But turns out she saw that too and was like, huh, what's over here in our room? Well, what are you doing? This is probably Mom's jewelry and we should leave it alone. Anyway, got back from our baby appointment and everything looks good. We also went to the craft store and bought some letters for the baby's name. And I'm gonna have a collaboration coming up with Sam from the Green Acre Homestead. He's doing a cutout of a mountain scene for us, but should be fun. Well, I think we're gonna turn in for the night, and tomorrow, which is actually Wednesday, I'm gonna do my work day in a couple of hours. So hopefully next week I can actually get back into my routine of working and making projects. But like I said, I'm gonna take a little time off and just post the vlogs. So I'll probably store up a couple of videos to post in January. I was actually getting ready for bed and remembered that I have a review to do. I mentioned in yesterday's video that I'm taking the break in December, and my reviews are gonna be dropping way down to stuff that I like. So this is one of the last reviews I'm gonna do for a company. A lot of the companies that I've been doing reviews for over the past 2 years have paid a $25 video fee that I charge. Just makes it worth my time to do the video for them. And so now I'm charging $50 after this video here. And so if a company is not serious about the review, they won't pay the 50 bucks. But anyway, so I'm gonna just hook up this battery here and get this going. Now I do have a review coming up that I like, and it's because of this box right here. And I'm gonna have some content in the channel coming up that I think is gonna be really fun. But anyway, I need to open this real quick and get just some outdoor night footage for this light. Hey, it comes with a battery. That's cool. I had just gotten this one out here that I purchased a while back, but certainly nice to have those batteries. Doing some shopping this morning. I'm actually about to go sign up for the gym for the next year. So excited about it. Emma's enjoying a cookie this morning. Got signed up for the gym for the next year. Super excited about that. I've been losing muscle every second I'm not in the gym. Well, I'm here at my church where I am getting, man, that light, I tell you what. Getting a coat rack installed here. Have a few more to go, but just wanted to give you a little look of what I'm doing right now. I think it looks pretty good. Ghost. Just got back from the church installing those coat hooks. I think they look pretty nice. Well, out here in the shop, I just got the review done for the flashlight, and that's going to be the last review I do unless it's something that I buy myself or a company pays 50 bucks to have a review. So maybe things in the new year will have some high quality reviews. Well, I'm making this circle for an upcoming project, which you may have seen in the last video. I'm going to sand it real quick and then spray it with a clear coat to make it shiny. I just stepped inside and checked the temperature. It's 26 out here, so I'm not going to stay out here much longer, but I'm going to sand this, and then I've got this clear coat that I'm going to put on there to make it a bit more shiny, and that should be good for now. Okay, got that sanded and clear coat, and it looks nice. I think it's going to be really good for the project that I'm building. I am tired and cold, so I'm going to go inside and spend time with the family, and hopefully next week we will have another exciting vlog. I'm going to try to put some artistic angles, maybe bring in some drone footage if it's not too cold outside, and just mix things up since it's the only video I'm going to post for the week, I think. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week for another exciting video. Bye.